For this project, Team KHOGC used Arcor composite solutions to restore and protect 3 chiller units in a local council complex. The chiller units were disassembled on site, revealing heavy corrosion, oxidation, and blistering on the surface of the water boxes, the domes, and the end plates. All water boxes, flat plates, and domes were taken off-site to our workshop, prepped for blasting, and then sent to our blasters. Pre-coat preparation requires grit blasting to a surface profile of no less than 75 microns. This allows for the required coating adhesion. Salt tests on the blasted surfaces are also done to ensure contamination level is within parameters. Readings are taken before every application to ensure the environmental conditions are within the coating window. In this case, Arcor S20 Grey is applied as the first coat. The second coat, Arcor S20 Blue, is applied. The different colors helps to ensure full coverage is achieved. Thickness tests are taken to ensure final minimum coating thickness of 400 microns on all of the coated areas. Back on site, the chiller tube sheets also show significant corrosion, oxidation, and blistering. They are prepped for coating by bristle blasting manually. Once surfaces are bristle blasted to a profile of more than 75 microns, we salt test to ensure surfaces are within range for contamination. Environmentals are checked before the first coat of Arcor S20 Grey is applied to the 3 chiller tube sheets. A final coat of Arcor S20 Blue is applied, and again, thickness tests are taken to ensure there is a minimum DFT of 400 microns. Having the alternate coating shades also assists in pinpointing higher wear areas in visual checks going forward. The coated water boxes, flat plates and domes are returned on site for reassembly, and the chiller units are put back into operation. For any information regarding this, or any other KHOGC projects, email or call Matt Hadfield. Otherwise, email us at info@khogc.com. Subscribe to the Team KHOGC YouTube channel, where you can find more case histories and information about our services. Thanks for watching this presentation.